you are new to my channel, welcome to Sincerely 𝐬𝐮𝐫𝐞. And if you are returning to my channel, of course, welcome back to Sincerely 𝐬𝐮𝐫𝐞. So in today's video, I am making a rose clay and Himalayan cold process soap. For the process of making this soap, I measured out all of my fats, both solid and liquid, and I will melt that down using the double boil method. So anyways, y'all, you can see at the bottom of the screen I do provide captions of a description of what I'm doing, but for now, enjoy the video and I will be back to provide additional commentary. Alright y'all, I am back. So because this is a salt bar, I opted to not use as much butters as I normally would use in most of my soap recipes because the salt is going to harden the soap significantly. So checking the reaction between the lye and the oil, I know that my batter is going to be fluid. And because it will be fluid, that allows me to continuously stick blend my batter until I reach trace, opposed to how I normally stick blend, which is in short bursts. Again, I normally use a lot of butters in my soap recipe. So once my batter has reached light to medium trace is when I will add my salt to the batter. If I were to add it while it was still fluid, it will sink to the bottom, opposed to suspending in the soap batter, which is what I wanted to do. Alright y'all, so I want to briefly tell you guys some of the benefits of using this rose clay and Himalayan salt bar. So first, rose clay does gently exfoliate your skin, but it also detoxifies the skin by pulling out impurities and absorbing excess oil. And the great thing about rose clay is it does all of that without over drying your skin. So if you're someone who has sensitive or dry skin, this is perfect for you. Himalayan salt is rich in minerals that will nourish the skin, balance your skin's pH level, and it also provides, of course, an exfoliation. So if I just described your skin type, definitely give this soap a try and tell me what you think. So again, because this is a salt bar, y'all, it only takes about 2 to 3 hours for the soap to set up before you're able to cut it into bars. So that's exactly what I did. I waited 2 to 3 hours, unmolded it, cut the soap, cleaned the mold, and then made my second soap. Both soaps will be listed on my Shopify store at sincerelydaisy.co. And if you've been on my site, then you will see these soaps are already there. But right now they are in the budding collection, which is a collection of soaps that are still curing. It just gives you a sneak peek of what's to come. And this soap will be part of the 𝐜𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐵𝐷 collection, which is a collection of soaps that are scented with essential oils, and they will be colored using natural ingredients only. So definitely stay tuned for their graduation date. Alright y'all, so this is about 2 to 3 hours after making the soap. Like, yes, you don't have to wait next day for salt bars. So about 2 hours after making the soap, I went ahead and unmolded it. It was firm enough for me to unmold, as y'all can see. It was still hot, which is normal, but for me, I just felt like it was too soft for me to cut into. So I did set it aside to cool down for an additional hour, and then I went ahead and cut the soap. Alright y'all, so we are getting close to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the cutting of the soap. Like always, I hope you enjoyed the soap making process for this soap. And again, this soap, once it graduates from the budding collection, will be part of my 𝐜𝐴𝐧𝐵𝐷 collection. So be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to shop my store, Sincerely 𝐷aisy.co. Like always, I thank y'all so much for the support and love, and I hope to see you in the daisy fields another time. Alright guys, bye.